in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display language on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select the General button, and then on the right side, scrolling down, select where it says Language and Region. And then up at the top where it says Preferred Language, select the plus sign, and then you can add a new language, and then select the Add button. And then you can select Use whatever your new language is as your primary language. When changing your primary language, some applications may not use the new language until your computer is restarted. Just please keep that in mind. You would select the blue option, and that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to just keep my regular option there, the one that was already set. But you guys get the point. You could have easily switched languages right through there, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.